Fat Cat Oxygen Killer here, aka James, and today we are doing another video. I'm gonna do this. Alright, let me put it out there. I'm gonna do 2 videos every single day. So this is the second video for today. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Jamaica. I'm losing my thing. I need to know what the leadership is. So, yeah. Alright. Let's save up some money. Because it is 20,000 HP. So, yeah. And something might come out that's bad. And I need to be prepared. So, yeah. Oh, again. We're hitting the base. Something's gonna come out. Hopefully he dies. Because I need to be prepared. Once when it's 19,000, something's gonna come out. Is it? What is it? Nothing? Alright. I'm fine with that. Alright. Let's be prepared. No! I accidentally hit it. No! Nothing's coming out. Is this rigged? I think it's too weak. It can't even send it out. Nothing. Alright, this is taking too long. No! No! Just no! I hate this game. Are you serious? I told you something's gonna come out. Of course it's a freaking elephant. Are you flipping serious? Go closer, Ice Cat. Ice Cat, go closer. Go closer, Ice Cat. Thank you. Next. Oh, I need to sneeze. Never mind. Oh, we forgot to see Sexy Legs Cat. I'm gonna do it for good luck. Oh my god. The veins are popping out of, what do you call it? What's the new cat? Probably like Ninja Cat. Oh my god, I was close. Has Ninja Cat already come out? Oh, that's what I thought of Ninja Cat. Remember, 5 likes and I'll buy this. 5. It's not even that much. Well, consider it, I only have like 8 subscribers. So, yeah. Oh, whoops. Yeah, let's see. Sexy Legs Cat. We don't really need him right now. So, let's see Sexy Legs Cat. Colombia. Are those coffee beans? Or almonds? Probably not almonds, but okay. Let's see. Oh, that's a little weird. Not really that weird, but You know what? Who cares? It's just a game. It's not like a fashion contest. Or is it? Colombia. How much damage does she do? I wonder. Does she do an area attack? Does she? No, she does single. I wish her attack was quick. She's gonna die. Top job. No, notifications, go away. Close. Another kangaroo. What? Okay, dead. We haven't even hit the base. Why did the kangaroo come out? Ice cat. Hurry this thing up. Jeepers creepers, you're getting on my neepers. Peepers. I don't know. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Sorry, I'm just spinning on my chair. What? She does 4,000 damage. Gee whiz. I got coffee beans. Yay, coffee. Brazil. Oh, wait. Hold on. I gotta check out my sleeve. Oh, it's level 10. I'm pretty sure I know what it does. Does it? Yeah, it recovers all my energy. Keep going. I think we're almost finished. I don't know. That's what I said in the last video, but is an elephant gonna come out because there's elephants? Is it? Okay, I'm gonna stop. No, just what? What are you? 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 Squirrel? Okay, bye. Hope you had a nice life. You're not alive anymore because you're gone. I gotta check out these new things. A big fat gorilla. Oh, whoa. Damn it. I don't want to spend all this. Right, sorry about that. Another squirrel with a huge mouth. Yeet. You got yeeted. Don't come out. Oh, okay. Oof. Them skills. Another gorilla. Meat shield. I swear I bought Sexy Legs cat. Oh, for a second I thought she wasted her attack. But she didn't. What are you? Are you a butterfly? There's a butterfly. Butterfly. I think it's a good one. Never mind. It's dead. Oh, what? Ice Cat has 4 legs. Keep calling, I'll stick around. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Copyrighted. I don't know. Tomato. So, yeah, he does 4,000 damage. Or she. He or she. I just forgot I'm not the doctor. No! No! I think one more level I will be able to get it. Argentina. Gulp. Soccer? Okay. Messi? Are you there? Messi, are you there? Messi! No, go! I'm just talking to myself. I'm gonna get out. Cow Cat. He's fast and he's good and he's good and he's good. I wonder what he evolves into. Is he just gonna smack his face on everything he sees? Guess so. Almost there. I thought I just broke my chair on my desk. I'm gonna put in my gaming chair soon. I'm scared. That's why I got my Uber in. Another cat cannon. Told ya. Oh my gosh! Yes! We did it! I don't know why I keep saying we. I have no friends. That's me. Whoa. Penguins. Oh, damn. Gee whiz. I'm all burning. Alright. I'm gonna shush. Yay! Alright. Let's see what Cow Cat becomes. Cow Cat, what are you gonna become? Giraffe Cat. Let's see. What's next? What am I doing next? Machu Picchu. I have 16 speed ups. Oh my. Ow. Come back. fast like a boss. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. I think he's not like stronger because he likes fast and he's a quick attacker. That's probably why. Oh my god, he's like pushing them back like a mile away. You are gonna die. Someone wanna eat me, I'm gonna eat me, wanna meet me. Frick! Put out the wrong one. It's meant to put out the time cap. Is this the first one I'm gonna lose? I think I've lost before, like once. I don't know if I got it on video. Oh, yes, Uber, time. Sorry, my brother interrupted me. Oh, why? Just why? I know it's a harder level, just why? Why now? Why? Ah! Don't die. Alright, you're gonna die because you're an elephant. I'm scared. Oh my god, we're crushing it. We're killing it. Sorry, my brother interrupted me. Go away. Sorry about that. For the sake of today, I'm doing 3 videos a day. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.